Hello boys and girls, this is Mohit Agarwal here, and yes, it's high time that CMA Institute, with all the humbleness and folded hand, I would like to request that it's high time that CMA students require some urgent clarification. री-वेरिफिकेशन का रिजल्ट अभी तक बच्चों का आउट नहीं हुआ और बच्चे लगातार स्टूडेंट्स आर कंटिन्यूअसली मैसेजिंग मी, मेलिंग मी, ओके, एंड आस्किंग सर व्हाट अबाउट द री-वेरिफिकेशन रिजल्ट. सो प्लीज रिलीज द री-वेरिफिकेशन रिजल्ट्स ASAP, okay. And the second thing, as promised, that the examination, yes, we know that online exams are going to be there, that was made clear. So if any decision regarding that has been changed, please clarify and also release an official notification of the same. And the new format of the question paper, please release a new format of the question paper. Otherwise, again, when only 1 month will be left for the exams, when only 45 days will be left for the exam, and if at that time the new question papers, new paper pattern are released, again it will create a panic, and again the exams will have to be postponed, and postponed till when? Then automatically December will come. And also please release the examination date. That what is the examination date, because CS Institute knows the examination date, CA Institute has released the examination date. It's only CMA students who are not aware about the examination date. So kindly release the examination date as soon as possible. So please release the re-verification result, announce the examination date, please release the question paper, mock test question paper formats, okay, and exactly the same format in which the papers are going to be set in the upcoming term. So please do that very fast, okay, and I hope that institute will take the cognizance of the same, and whatever restlessness is going on amongst the CMA students, please make sure that that restlessness is put to end by an official notification very soon. Thank you. And CMA Institute से मैंने गुजारिश कर दिया. Now I would like to request my lovely CMA students, my lovely CMA students, do share this video with all the CMA fraternity, entire CMA fraternity, all your WhatsApp group, Telegram group, so that maximum students can share it, and automatically institute can come up with an official notification regarding the same. And sir, what about sir our revision videos and all already we have put the revision videos and all, and I assure you, once institute release a mock test question paper, we'll be practicing that also. Thank you boys and girls, love you guys. And I hope you're watching Mission Company Law.